Oh, hey, let me help you with that.
Oh, no, it's alright.
It's heavy.
No,
I've got
it's really not that bad, and the stage is just, over there.
Sorry. I was just trying to help. What's your problem?
Hey, I'm Jen.
Hey, I'm LJ. Hey, Laura.
Sound girl. Sorry, love. Band only on stage.
Oh, I'm the singer.
Oh, shit, sorry. I thought you were the boyfriend or something. Cool high tension team.
Thanks.
Would you like Young and Restless?
I don't really know the stuff.
What's your favourite high tension song?
Yeah, I know the sounds, but not the names of the...
Yeah. Well, as long as you got the tea. So, drummer.
Yeah.
Can I get some kick?
Yeah.
Great stuff. And now, rack tom. Yeah, look, can I let you in on a little secret? Try plugging the lead in behind the strap, like this. Just a little trick of the trade. Stops your lead from getting unplugged if you step on it. And bass player. That's a sexy bit of wood, isn't it? And now you, love. Do you know how to turn on your amp?
Excuse me, could we please get a round of drinks off our rider?
No worries, love. You guys okay with the levels on stage?
Yeah, sounds great.
I'm actually not finished yet. Can I get a little more level?
Oh, I get it. You're one of those guys who keeps asking for more until it hurts. Give me some vocal.
Whoa, blabbity bam-a-lam, whoa, blabbity bam-a-lam, bam-a-lam, whoa, blabbity.
Gorgeous. Very pretty sounding.